Hello and welcome to this new video on how to delete OneDrive files. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So firstly, you need to look on the bottom right hand side of the taskbar and there will be an cloud icon, and when you hover around that icon it will say OneDrive. So you just have to click on that cloud icon and the pop-up box will appear right in front of you, and on the bottom taskbar of the pop-up box there will be 4 different options. They are open folder, view online, recycle bin and upgrade. Now you just have to click on that open folder option. Now you just have to click on the open folder option and the folder of OneDrive will be opened right in front of you. Now you just have to choose the files that you want to delete, and when you have chosen it you just have to do a right click on that particular file and a pop-up box will appear and there will be a delete button. So you just have to click on that delete button and you will be able to successfully delete that file. So this is how you can easily delete OneDrive files. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.